Hi everyone, it's me Gerald and welcome back to my channel. It's Las Vegas Motor Speed. Today it's February 22nd, 2022. Another day, another episode of my channel. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you to install or modify clutch levers and brake levers. And we're going to eliminate these side mirrors. We're going to turn it into a bar end mirrors. And I'm going to show you what I've been installing on this Yamaha MT-09 Master of Torque, the Beast 2022 model. I didn't make any video because it's self-explanatory. Before I start this video, I would like to shout out all my subscribers and viewers out there. Thank you so much for your trust and support for this channel. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified in my latest vlog.
A few moments later.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right.
So we're going to be needing a wrench with 10mm socket and flathead screwdrivers to remove all the bolts and nuts for the clutch and levers. Okay, let's start. So this is how it looks like.
Eventually.
Hi, my name is Gerald once again. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you learned something today regarding installation or modification of clutch and brake levers and bar and mirrors. Once again, thank you so much for trust and support for this channel. Thank you for subscribing. And for those who haven't been subscribed yet, you can click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified on my latest vlog. Shout out all the riders, ride safe, and Godspeed.